Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, My Kitchen and I. In today's video guys, we are making vanilla ice cream. If you're a lover of ice cream like myself, I want you to relax, watch this video and go make yours at the comfort of your kitchen. Pretty simple, and I want you to give me the feedback at the comment section as I introduce you to the ingredient. So guys, these are the three ingredients for the ice cream. Cream, this is 2 cups. Vanilla extract, I need just a tablespoon. Sweetened condensed milk, I bought this from the market, but you can make yours at home by bringing your milk and sugar to a boiling point. So guys, I'll be using my hand mixer to whip the cream, but if you don't have this, you can use a regular blender, okay? So let's continue. I want to transfer the cream to a bigger bowl. So I'll just go ahead and add the condensed milk. 1/4 cup of condensed milk. With this, you don't need any sugar at all. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then continue stirring. Continue whisking of the cream. So guys, can you see the consistency? If you don't like the consistency, you can put a little bit of milk to loosen the thickness. I'll just go ahead and cover this and put it in my freezer for at least 5 hours. So see you in 5 hours time. Yeah guys, after about 5 hours in the freezer, this is how the ice cream look like. So good, tastes good and yummy. So go make yours and tell me how it looked like in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this channel a thumbs up so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.